I have two things that are in the news that regard Ford Motor Company I'd like to talk to you about today. One would be that Ford just scrapped an additional EV. They were going to build a 3-row SUV EV. They've changed paths. They're going to go and build a hybrid. Still a 3-row SUV, but a hybrid. And I think that's something they should have did long ago. I made a video a year and a half ago talking about why I felt that hybrids were a better answer for America in our current market conditions and with our country's demographics. I'll leave a link down below. You can check that out. I also think that Ford should build more hybrids, more hybrid cars. Toyota got this right when they decided not to go all in on EVs, not to try to raise their stock price overnight, but decided to build a couple of EVs. They have a few out there, but every vehicle they manufacture, you can buy a hybrid version of it. It's a lot easier to build a hybrid because the battery is only 1/10 the size. They don't cost that much more than a standard ICE vehicle. Ford should do this. They've actually done it. Look at the Maverick hybrid pickup truck. Ford can't build enough of them. They sell instantaneously. So you'd have to think that if Ford were to build a hybrid vehicle, something that anyone could buy, like the Escort was, or the Tempo, that it would sell and sell well. So I'd like to see them do that again. Why they haven't adopted this strategy earlier is beyond me. Will a 3-row SUV hybrid sell? Probably. Now, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about today was the rumors and speculation of a Mustang 4-door. Now, we've heard this for years, and the Mustang purists balk. Of course, they freaked out when the Mach-E came out, but you have to understand that the Mustang nameplate is Ford's most marketable nameplate. It's been around forever. It's been successful for over 50 years, so of course they're going to use it. Many manufacturers in Europe build a 4-door sports sedan. There's no reason that Ford can't build a 4-door sports sedan and compete with some of these name brands like BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche. My kids are older. They're through college, they're graduated, they're on their own, they have their own lives. But if I still had younger children, I'd be a buyer for a 4-door Mustang sports sedan. I just would be. That would be something that would be attractive to me, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. And if Ford wants to build an additional car, whether it be 2 or 4 or 5, they want to make a hatch again, fine, it's an additional car. That's my thoughts. What do you think? Do you think Ford should be building more hybrids? Do you think that Ford should build a 4-door Mustang? Is the thought of a 4-door Mustang just something your mind's not going to be able to get your head around? Do you think they should call it something else? A Falcon, a Galaxy, a Comet, whatever name they could pull from the past, they could certainly use. I happen to think the Mustang nameplate on a 4-door, as long as it's sporty, a sports sedan, is just fine because it's an additional car. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. There's your updates. Till next time, we'll see you.